is going to be another fast one. This is a 12 by 12 double-sided sheet of paper. We're going to tri-fold it. You can tri-fold it perfectly if you want to. I just kind of folded it. I'm not a big fan of cutting and wasting expensive paper, so I just fold it. Wherever it folds is the way it turns out, and it's meant to be. So you go ahead and fold these, and then when you open it up, you're going to fold from the bottom. Now, when I fold from the bottom up, I do want some type of size because I want it to fit inside a Bippity Boppity book. So I'm looking for a special measurement, and then I go ahead and seam that. Now, here I am folding only the left top corner to match up with the bottom. The other two, I'm leaving them go. Now I'm going to flip all of this over and take a scissors. And when I take the scissors, I am going to cut on each side of the crease. So I'll end up taking, you see at the end, I have to take a little bit off. It'll happen right here. So it leaves you a bigger gap in between the pieces of paper that you've cut. Now you're going to flip it over and do the same thing on that top one. Again, you're just cutting on the outside of the seam. And then you're going to go ahead and flip it back. Now this top right two pieces that nothing's been done yet, they're going to be folded down to meet the top of that left side. So see that left side pocket we already did? We're going to fold it down to there. And then we're going to go ahead, I'm turning it so I can fold it better. And then I'm going to flip it upside down and I'm going to cut in between those two as well. So now we've cut all of the pockets on both sides of the seams. So this front pocket is going to fold in and essentially be backwards. The far right is going to close together and then fold in. And then I just keep doing it over and over again. There it is. So in the meantime, until we look at it several other times, I ink it, I curve all the edges. Then this is the far right. I am going to glue the bottom up. So just the two sides, not the top, because I want to leave it a pocket. So I went ahead and kind of folded it in half, used a punch, did a little bit of ink, and glued it up, facing up so that I can put something in it. I also always test a piece of paper, usually to make sure I know what size paper and if it fits. This first pocket, I did use a little cutter on the edges, and then I'm gluing the bottom and gluing it so that it's up. So now I'm taking my Crop-A-Dile and I am cutting holes, or I am punching holes in the top and the bottom of the very outside because I'm going to put a ribbon in there. Here's the eyelet, and I'm going to use a ribbon to tie this shut. So I do have a tutorial on how to use the Crop-A-Dile. It's very easy to use the Crop-A-Dile as well. So right now you're looking at it all closed, okay? I put some lace on the front, and this is it all ribboned up. So I was going to split this up into two videos, and I'm just not going to. So I made a lace pocket on the front, put some tangle tiles, and then to open it, you just untie it. This front pocket, I have a secret pocket, which I have a couple of videos that I've done several times in the past. And then I just kept some like little to-do lists inside of it. So the secret journal pocket will be in the front pocket of the many pockets of this trifold. And then when you flip this and open it up again, and I have videos of everything I made in here that I'll be putting up. This is a tangle I did to put in this little pocket out front. This is a new stamp I just found thrifting, and I love it, with a quote that I found thrifting. So that can sit in there until someone decides to put something else in it. And this is a tearaway paper notebook pad. It's the exact size, actually, of a tangle if you're into tangling, or it can be for notes, whatever you want, but it does tear away. And then you just go ahead and tie it. So I will add videos of the things that I made inside of this, and if you have any questions, let me know. But It's just something great for anybody for junk journaling, for something you want to keep in your purse, especially for tangling. I like all the little pockets. I think it's nice to be able to put your tangles wherever you want to. So for this one, I set it in the Flowers and Pearls Bippity Boppity book. Have an amazing day. Check out my other videos.